So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
All right, welcome back, fighters. Today is a beautiful Wednesday morning. Okay, I've been saying time so wrong in so many videos. Right now, it's 7:30 a.m. But yeah, guys, so welcome back to the channel. So currently right now we're just doing a quick update. I don't think there's much to say about these trades. It's just that it's just moving. That's all. It's like just moving in our direction for now. The update that we might see here is the moving on of the stop loss, right? So you guys remember that the stop loss was right here, just above here. So now because you can see it's creating a new higher low right here, so you just might be able to move the stop loss just below that higher low, right? So when you take a stop loss is even deeper into profit. That's good for us. So this is where it is currently at. So happiness with that. And the trade, this 0.10 now is currently into profit as well, right? So hopefully it breaks through this structure and goes straight to our take profit. But for now it's happiness all the way, right? And when we go to EA, okay, EA just also went into profit. Oh, it's still into profit. So as you can see, price created a new higher high as well. So our stop loss will move from here to now just above here. So now both of these trades are risk-free trades, right? And that's relaxed. So the worst case scenario, we actually make a profit, and that's how I like to keep my trades. So both of these trades are gonna be risk-free, except this one because it's relatively new. So yeah, so 2 of the 3 trades that we're taking are risk-free trades. So, and this one will not have an effect that much because I forgot to show you guys. I did enter it here on the sheet. As you can see, that risk percentage of this trade is 0.5%, right? So it's a 0.5%. So it's not gonna make a huge difference if we take the L on that one, but hopefully we don't. Hopefully we don't, and it just goes straight to our take profit. But for now, I am happy with how the trades are coming or how they're going. So I'm gonna give you guys an update, after the New York session, or just after it opens around 4 5 6. That's where I like to give an update, just to recording, just give you guys an update of where we at. So for now, I am extremely happy with how it's going so far, because it's looking like we just might pass the challenge, just these 3 trades. When you really think about it, it's actually 2 trades, because this one is a replacement of the trade that we took. So trade is just a replacement. So basically, the main trades that we took here are these 2, right? These 2 trades. These are the main characters of this. This is just a supporting trade more than anything. But we are genuinely going good so far, right? I like it. I like it how that's the benefit of swing trading, how we can just make it happen with 2 trades. Like we just have 2 trades and we can potentially pass the potentially pass the free trial with just 2 trades, and hopefully do that as well with the actual challenge that we buy. So I was leaning towards we buy a funded trader challenge, but I'll speak about that on the next video. So I'll do a whole video just explaining. So after we pass the free trial, I'll just explain everything properly, hopefully, right? So it can make it clear, this is the vision, this is the goal, this is what we're doing. And yeah, hope you guys tighten or fasten your seatbelt, because it's gonna be a ride. But yeah, so I'll put screenshots of the updated stop losses so you guys can be able to see that. But for now, happiness, and I'll see you guys later. Always.
A few hours later.
All right, welcome back, fighters. Um, the time is currently 10 minutes to 4. So the New York session just opened not so long ago from my time. So yeah, welcome back, welcome back. Okay, let's see what's happening here. All right, so I do see that price is currently on a retracement here on EA. Let's just go to the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, so it's currently on a retracement here. So it did touch this here. I did show you guys that we did indeed increase our stop loss and just put it inside into profit. So worst case scenario, we actually make a profit. So this is a risk-free trade. So as soon as it breaks around up here, then we'll be able to at least just take it around here, right? Or even a bit higher, maybe like around here. But for now, we're just gonna let it do its thing right there. Yeah, I'm loving what's going on with this trade so far. I'm just gonna let it do its thing and then we'll see how it goes, right? So yeah, so far, so good, I guess. I can say so far so good, but we're just gonna let that slide right there. Okay, and when we go to UC, hello. UC is shooting up like usual because this trade has really been going so beautifully, guys. Remember, we started right here, right? This is where our stop loss was. We moved that stop loss, put it right here, and now we moved it again into higher profit. We even got a new trade, right? Don't forget, guys, we did close the other trade. And we got $91, I think, on the first on the half of this overall trade. We got $91. So we already made some profit off this trade. We're making even more profit right now. So we'll see how that goes. But so far so good. I'm really loving how this trade is turning out. For the first trade in the channel, it's an amazing start. It's really an amazing start, and just says a lot about where I am with my strategy. So, and I guess to share with you guys. Oh, I can't even talk. I get to share it with you guys, so that's exciting as well. So yeah, that's where we at with UC and EA, right? So we didn't even get an opportunity to look at a different trade, right? GU. I also like to trade GU. Okay, so this is interesting. It's bouncing off. Wow. Okay, let's go to the daily time frame. It's bouncing off a thingy, a trend line that we set. Bounce one, bounce two, bounce three, bounce four. It's the fifth bounce, so it is a valid one. Okay. Okay, let's just. So we start off the weekly, right? You can see it's even bouncing off the weekly as well. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is looking like a potential trade so far. Okay, so it is on a uptrend, so 3 bounces makes it a valid trend line. That's the first thing that we see, a valid trend line. If we go to the daily, it even makes it more clearer that I am indeed valid. Okay, so let's go to the 4 hour time frame just to scale in. Okay, so we saw that it's on an uptrend. Okay. So, like I always do, guys, I'm pretty sure you guys can follow it with me. So, right now, our focus is this little down trend right here. Okay, so we use the mellow yellow to identify these levels. Right, so that right there. Okay, let's just stay locked in to the drawer. Okay. Okay, and then that's another level right here. Oh, cool. Right. So let me just drag this here. Also drag this here. Okay. And which one is the last one? So this one is the midpoint. So the last one that it showed here is this one right here. Okay. So this is the last lower low. Okay, so lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then lower low, lower high, right? So let's just do this right here. Is it a valid point? Yeah. All right, cool. So we've identified all the lower lows and the lower highs. So on the downtrend, I mostly focus on the lower highs, right? So this is the last high, and then it broke, said lower low, and then here's the lower high, right? It came and bounced here, and then lower low, and then this is the lower high, right? The last one. You can all, so that's the last one that it does. So we'll see if price breaks through here and then retest this area, and then we can look for a sell. But if it breaks through here, maybe gives us a breaks through this last a lower high, and then we might be looking for a buy maybe around here. If it bounces off this area, then we might be looking for a buy. But yeah, and the GU is really active at this time because both the New York and the London session are open, so it is really active at this time. So we'll look at this trade. We'll really give it a look and see what's going on. Okay, I'm glad that we caught this one. We needed a new trade, by the way, but okay, we didn't need it, but it would have been exciting. But okay, so far so good. Let's just give it time to see what this trade is gonna do. Pretty sure I'll see it tomorrow. For now, I think I'll just watch. I guess I'll just take a watch for now to see what's gonna do. But UC is going good. Potential GU and EA is going good as well, right? So yeah, so that's the update for now. I guess I'll see you guys again later before I go to sleep. I'll just get into the market, check this out, and then upload this video, and then tomorrow is another day. We just check, because I don't think you guys have noticed that you only placed the trade on Thursday. We placed a trade on Friday, and then we only placed the trade yesterday. So on Monday, on Monday we placed it. Yeah, we placed it on Monday, and then yesterday it was a free day. We didn't do anything. We just relax, just watch, and we don't really like not in the market all that time. We just legit get in where we see, and then as soon as we see, okay, this is what it's doing, do our adjustments, or our adjust here and there and there, and just let it run. Let it run, bruv. So far so good. I'm really happy about this trade, both of them actually. So looking forward to see what GU is gonna do. It really looks interesting. Let's see if we're able to see other confirmations, right? So the first will be the bounce of, so first is the trend line, the valid trend line, and I want to see if it was gonna bounce off this part here. But no, let's just give it time, guys. See tomorrow what's gonna happen. But for now, it looks like a very interesting trade. But we don't see like an opportunity. We still don't know what it wants to do. It might break. It might just respect the trend line. So yeah, let's just give it time, and then we'll just call it tomorrow probably. But we'll also check up on it late before I go to sleep to see what's going on, and then we'll be able to take a good night rest. It's been a long day today actually. So yeah, thank you so much guys for joining me. Always.
A few moments later.
All right, fighters. Welcome back again. My spirits might be high, but I'm afraid I don't have the bestest of news. Um, our trades, both our trades are locked down. Let me just remove this. So both our trades hit the stop loss. So on UC, price hit the stop loss, and it looks like it's gonna continue going up, but for now it hit the stop loss, and EA as well. You guys can see that EA also hit its our stop loss is passing our stop loss, so that we out on that as well. So yeah, man, we take all of these, and you know how our stop losses are placed, right? They're all in profits. So if I open here, um, okay, so if I open right here, this is where it shows us everything that happened, right? So today, come on, what's happening? All right, so right now, our profit is on 162, right? That's how much profit we've made. So we've made 1.62% of the target, and the target is 5%, right? So we've made 1.62 of that, and we took L's. No take profit reached, and we just took L's for real, right? So as you can guys see, here are the trades, the final standings of the trade. So I'm grateful about this one that we took here, and this one was kind of hurtful. I don't want to lie, because this is the EA, right? Here we should have really took partial profits here, right here. So that hurts. That hurts a little, because we should at least took like partial profit around here, this area. I was really thinking about it. I was like, okay, let me take partial profits here, and I'll look for buy somewhere else or somewhere around this area. So the fact that price did come all the way down, it is heartbreaking a little. But this is Forex, man. You have good days and you have bad days. You have, because it started perfectly. But right now you can see we are on a bit of a drawdown and all of that. So yeah, we get to delete all of these. It's finished. This is finished, I guess. Right. So let me just see here. See, looks like price was following. I don't know if I'm reaching. I'm not sure if I'm reaching here, but it looks like price was following a young trend line. Bounce, 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 bounce. So we might have took our own L here, and I see here that it might be the same thing. When it comes to when it comes to EA, right? I think the same thing might have happened right here. Let's try to do this. Wow. Okay, yes. So this might be a follow of a trend line, I guess. Right? Pretty sure this is gonna break above this point. Yeah, so for now, this is where we at. So we need to learn, or we need to introduce the partial profit taking, right? So whenever we see that high prices on a high and it's looking to draw down a bit, we might take partial profit and look to get into the trade again on a later stage, right? So that's where we at right now. So lesson learned, lesson learned. Speaking of lesson learned, now I have to put everything right here. And I don't know if it's me or not, but I didn't see this trade. This you see at the bottom when I go here, right? Because it's only showing 3 trades that I took, right? And I think I took 4 trades. Number of trades, it says 3. So I don't think the UC trade actually went through, right? So I'm not really sure about that, but yeah, so yeah, that's where we at right now. But let me see. But I think it did go through. If profit is 162, let me just grab a calculator real quick. All right. So 91 0.01. It's plus 28 plus 71.11. That's close to 190, right? And you can see here it's 165. So minus 162.34, right? So this is the L that we took, $26, right? But where, I don't know why it's not reflecting right now. But that's the L that we took for that trade. So basically, the other UC trade is just a replacement of this. So currently our profit is the 71, is the UC trade basically, right? So that's where we at right now. So yeah, man. Did not get the best result, but so far so good. We are gonna reach this area. Yeah, we're gonna do it. We are gonna do it. I know, and I believe in us. So the end date is on the 27th of March. So we have 7 days. 7 days to get this. So yeah, so we can definitely scale in and try to work it and ensure that we do take the partial profits, because that is important as well. It plays a big part in just giving us that psyche and that thing where it's like, yes, I know I can do it. So yeah, man. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hopefully tomorrow we have a better day. So yeah, thank you so much again for tuning in, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Like I always say, always.
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.